Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to download, install Chrome, browse on Chrome, and you're going to log into your Google account on Chrome. So you're going to log in to any Google account of choice on the Chrome browser. If that's something you're into, if that's something you need, watch this video to the end, and if you follow the step-by-step instructions I'll lay out, you will understand how to do that and you get it done immediately. So let's jump right into the video. Let's go, and we'll begin with Google. So hit on Google and you need to type in the Chrome app. So if you click Chrome app on the suggestions there, you could find the one from play.google.com. Navigating to it and you click on Google Chrome. This is the one you want, and after a few seconds this page opens. Now if you are here for your first time, you'll see install. If you do not have a Google account already signed in, you need to sign a Google account in so that you could download this app. So put in your Google account, download the app with the install button over here. You can see open right here because I already have this application downloaded and installed. So I could get into it right from here, and when I'm in the application, all I need to do is to put in a Google account. So this application offers a lot of browsing services. You could access any website of choice by simply clicking and searching, and you're going to find all the websites you choose and you want to use. Clicking on the top right arrow button, you could find a settings panel. So you have new tab, incognito tab, history, desktop, site, settings, and all this. I'm going to click into settings because my objective in this video is to show you exactly how you can log into your Chrome device or Chrome account on your Android TV device. So the search engine is Chrome, and I'm going to log into an account. So be attentive and look at this process step by step with me. So the first thing you need to do is to appear on this home page and click the sync. So if you turn on sync, your passwords and everything is going to sync between your TV, your phone, or whatever device you have. That will allow you to log in to Chrome on this device. So your Android TV, just be patient and you'll see it checking info. You'll check the info and it will give you a box to which you could put in your email address and you could put in your password. That information is going to be relevant for you to log into Chrome. So I'm just being patient, giving the browser some time. If you have good internet speed, this will take you a couple of seconds. If not, it will take a bit longer. So the information I'm going to put here, the information I'm going to put here is DaveTech 318 at gmail.com. So tap at gmail.com. So that right there is the email address. Ensure your email address is correct, and when the email address is correct, you're going to click on the next button, and after that you need the password. So when you have it correctly put in and you click next, you're going to put in the password. So I'll need you to put in your password, and when you put in your password, you're going to access your account. So for this tutorial, all you need to know is an email address and password. That's all required to get into your Google account. And when you have that in, you're going to sign in. You'll be logged into Google and you can use your passwords. You could access all your synced information and services on Google Chrome. And that's it for this video. If you found this informative, if you found value in this, and you could log into your Google account now, click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.